Alright guys, here we go. This is going to be a 2 on top and a skin on the side. Standard military, high and tight. As you watch this, I'm going to explain to y'all where I've been over the past 5 months and hopefully get a upload schedule back together. So let's get right into this. I'm just taking this I'm debulking the top of his head. I'm just cutting it down to where I want it. Just so y'all know, I switched shops. I moved from one shop to another, and it was a very hard time getting all my clientele switched over and getting everybody used to coming, and this shop is a lot busier than the shop I was at. So you add my clientele plus the clientele that's already at the shop plus the seasonal clientele from the northern people that come down. Right here, I'm gonna explain this haircut as we go. Right here, I just switched over to a 1.5, and I'm doing the parietal ridge area. It just starts that break down to where it's going to be a high and tight. I'm also teaching a young man in the shop while I'm shooting this video, so you'll see me at times different things that I'm pointing at and showing him. But I moved over and got, this is a 5/0 blade, and I'm going straight up the side of the head, where when it turns, I'm not curving. I'm showing him there, I'm going straight up. I'm not going with the curvature of the head, I'm just going straight up the side of the head. But as I worked to get a balance for the new shop and new clientele and figuring my hours out and all that sort of thing, I think I've got it to the point. Now this right here, I'm just debulking his head. I'm going to speed it up so you don't have to be a pain watching all this. But I worked through getting my clientele over and balancing the new clientele, the new shop, what hours I'm going to work and things like that. My plan is, from this point on, I have probably 8 or 10 haircuts already recorded that I still have to edit and do things with, but my plan is to upload 1 haircut video a week. And I also want to do 1 vlog on stuff that y'all need to know about. So I'm asking you, get in the comments and let me know what do you want to know about. Do you have questions? Do you have different haircuts that you're having trouble with? Anything that you want to see a video on, get in the comments. Let me know what you want to see. As far as I'm using, you'll see in this video, I've got the Braun Series 9 shavers. Right here I'm showing where the curvature of the head starts, and if you hold the Braun Series 9 just like this, it'll automatically start that fade for you. But I'm going to try to upload 1 haircut a week, and I'm also going to do 1 vlog video a week. So if y'all get in the comments, let me know what you want to see. Let me know any questions you have. I'm going to also do the review on the Braun Series 9. I've been using it for several months now. I like it. I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on it in a different video. I've also used the cordless seniors. I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on those. I've also started using the Oster Fast Feeds. And listen, I took and put a ceramic blade on them, and they're 0 gap. And I'm going to be doing a video on those as well. And I feel like my tools have went to the next level, if you will. Right here, I'm just shaving his head. This Bronze Series 9, man, this dude right here has very, very coarse, thick hair. He's actually the husband of the girl that works right beside me in the barbershop. And I asked him if I could video his head, and I wanted it for the main reason was because of his hair is so thick and so coarse. I wanted you to see how easy this Bronze Series 9 just goes right through it with no problems whatsoever. A little sneak peek, I guess, on the review. I really love these shavers. If these broke today, I would go spend $350 on a new pair tomorrow. That's how much I like them. So much better than any of the regular foil shavers like the Babyliss or the Andis or even Wall. They're just above and beyond anything that they could possibly do. You're going to pay the price for it, but they're definitely worth it. And you can see I'm just shaving. I'm shaving his head, the sides of his head up to. I already made the skin line up top, so I'm just going through and just shaving it. It's mindless at this point. And then we're going to come back and work on blending the sides in. I've also figured out how to stop this from focusing on my arm so you can see clearly on the head. And I have a friend that does a lot of video work, and he gave me some pointers. Right here's the Wall Seniors, and I come back with them open and just start the blend up to that number 2 on top. He is a Navy veteran, and I appreciate his service to our country. I want to say thank you for that, and really good guy. I've known him for a long time, and his wife works right beside me in the barbershop. Really good people. Don't tell him I said that. Anyway, you see, I'm just working this fade. It's the normal steps. You're just blending. I have a 1 blade on there. I really didn't make this video for really to teach it. I really made this video so you can understand where and why I've taken a break for the past 5 months from making videos, and let you know that I enjoy making these videos. I enjoy helping y'all. So I'm sorry that I was gone, and I plan on being consistent with my videos. So right here I'm just taking the T-edgers and kind of cleaning them up. He has very dry skin, so you'll see me in a minute. I'll take some skin tonic and I'll spray his head and rub it in just to help him out there. But listen, guys, I appreciate y'all hanging in there with me, and I'm thankful that I'm able to get back to making videos again. Again, y'all, please get in the comments. Let me know. Do you have questions? Right here, I'm the skin tonic. But give me your questions. Tell me what you want to know. Tell me videos you want to see. Topics you want me to cover. Let me know what you guys want. I appreciate y'all being here. Thanks a lot. I'll see y'all next week.